Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the key features on the latest and greatest robotic pool cleaners, helping you understand what a robotic pool cleaner can really do for you and your pool. Today's feature is multimedia filtration. For a long time, a single debris bag was the standard. But think about all of the dirt, grime, and debris in your pool. If it's located under trees, you probably get a lot of leaves, acorns, and twigs. If you have sand or fine topsoil, you may see it settled on the bottom of your pool. If your pool is prone to algae buildup, your water line is probably a trouble spot you have to tend to often. And a simple filter bag is supposed to do a great job for all of that. Unfortunately, it can't do everything. That's where multimedia filtration comes in. Single filter media can't be a one and done solution. There are many kinds of debris, but now premium robotic pool cleaners are beginning to offer 2, 3, even 4 kinds of filter media choices. With that many options, you don't have to compromise with a pool cleaning. Let's look at the Dolphin Premier as an example. It comes with the most media options, 4 media types. First, it has an oversized debris bag specifically designed for leaves. It can hold an extraordinary amount of large debris, which is great for pools near trees. But it may not be ideal for the tiniest particles that keep your pool from having ultra clear water. For the deepest clean, it has an ultra-fine cartridge, filtering debris as small as 2 microns. That includes sand, algae, and even pollen. In most cases, using an ultra-fine cartridge will even improve water clarity, and you'll be surprised at how much small debris it captures. For regular cleanings, there's the fine cartridge. It's perfect for the day-to-day jobs that include a small amount of leaves or other flora, and the media is fine enough to still trap small debris. For the most hands-off cleaning, the Premier comes with a disposable debris bag. Just toss it once you're done with it. That's a big convenience for some pool owners who are short on time. Multimedia filtration means you don't have to compromise anymore. The most effective clean is at your fingertips. If you're ready to invest in a robotic pool cleaner that does the dirty work for you, keep multimedia filtration as the top feature on your list. The Dolphin Premier offers the most media options at 4, but other excellent cleaners like the Dolphin Sigma and Dolphin Quantum also offer multiple types of filtration. Browse dozens of models with multiple types of filtration at PoolBots.com. Find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.